So over here, you can see that I got some objects right here, and I can go around and easily make changes to them. You can go around and change out the color, let's say, for example, to the shapes, and they'll be applied. You can resize this as well. But sometimes you may not want to make any changes. So you may want to disable out editing for certain shapes. And in that case, you can go around and let's say I don't want to enable edit for this shape. So I can simply select it and then go around onto properties section right here. So once you go around over here, you can scroll down and over here, you can see that editable is checked on. So if I were to go around and uncheck this right here, then you don't see the editing option anymore. You can still go around and move the object right here. You can resize it, but you won't be able to change around its color or add in any styles to them. But if you want the editing capabilities back, then you can go around over here onto unlock, and then the editing gets enabled again and you have the access to the styles right here. Then again, if you want to lock it, then you can simply go around over here onto the editing part right here, editable part, and disable it, and you can see that it is locked out right there. You can go around over here and select out everything over here and disable out the editing just like this as well, and that is what you have. You don't have editing for any of them, but over here for this shape the editing is not turned off, so you can see that I can just go around and change it around. So that is how you can go around and disable editing and re-enable editing inside of shapes in diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.